How to connect World to Xero. Go to the World for Platforms website and log into your account. Log into your Xero account in another tab. Check that your Xero organization is active and ready to connect. Create a clearing account in Xero for World transactions under Chart of Accounts. Add your main business bank account in Xero if it is not already listed. In the World portal, open the Xero Connections section. Click Authorize and allow World to access your Xero account. Select your Xero organization when asked and confirm the connection. Map your clearing account and bank account inside World settings. Create a bank rule in Xero to automatically match World payments. Add World as a payment option in your invoice settings in Xero. Send a test invoice and confirm that payments appear correctly in Xero. Thank you for watching.